Welcome all students. Today we are going to see that exercise 4.1. The first one is fill in the blanks. First one is fill in the blanks. In the first subdivision, the question is the line through two endpoints. The line through two endpoints A and B is denoted by dash. That is, a line through two endpoints A and B is denoted by, this is called, we already know this is called line segment. Line segment. Okay. The second question is a line segment from B to point A is denoted by dash. A line segment, that means, see, this is a line segment from B to point A is denoted by BA. Okay. The third one is a ray has dash endpoints. A ray has dash endpoints. A ray, this is called ray. A ray has how many endpoints? Only one endpoints. Okay. So the second question is how many line segments, how many line segments are there in the given line and name them. How many line segments are there in the given line? Name them. Okay. So this is your line. This line is called A. So the first one is P, A, B, C, Q. This is your line segment. They asked how many line segments are there. So the solution is, the first question answer is there are 10 line segments. There are 10 line segments. How much? So PA, PB, we can take it PA, PB, PC, PQ, AB, BC, CQ, okay, AC, AQ, whatever it is. Okay. So you can take it like this: AC, AQ, and also AB, PC, PA, PB, PC, PQ, AB, AC, AQ, then PQ we have already written now. So we can take it as another thing, that is, you can take it BC, CQ, AB, AC. These are all the line segments. Okay. So there are 10 line segments. The second question is, what are they? Name them. Okay. So they are, you have to write like this separately: PA, okay, PB, PC, PQ, AB, BC, CQ, AC, BQ, okay, and AQ. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are all the line segments here. Okay. So the next question is The second 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 sums are, so it is a practical geometry. Okay, we will do it later. We will see the next fifth sum, that is from the given figure. From the given figure, the first question is identify the parallel. From the given figure, identify the parallel lines. Second question is identify the intersecting lines. Second subdivision. The third subdivision is name the points of intersection. So this is your question. This is a parallel line. This is also parallel. Okay, it intersect here. They are naming like this. This one is AB line, and this is your CD line. Okay, so this is your EF, and this is your GH. Okay, this is PQRS. Okay, so they ask the first question, no, identify the parallel lines. Okay, so this is the answer of the first question, that is parallel lines. What are the parallel lines here, ma? See, what are the parallel lines? CD and AB. This CD and AB. This one is parallel. First parallel line, CD and AB. Okay. The second parallel line is EF, GH. EF and GH. Okay. So this is your second parallel line, that is EF and GH. Okay. So the second question is, what are the intersecting lines here? Intersecting lines. That is the line. It has to what? Intersect. Okay. So the line. What are the intersecting line here? The first one is, we will take CD and EF. CD and EF. Okay. So let me take first one is CD and EF. Okay. The second one, what does mean? Second we can take the same thing, that is CD and GH. Okay. GH. CD and GH. CD and GH. So the third one is AB. Okay, and EF. AB and EF. Okay. So the third one is AB and EF. Okay. So the last intersecting line is AB and GH. AB and GH. This is your last intersecting line, AB and GH. Okay. So this is your second question answer. The third one is point of intersection. Point of intersection. Point of intersection. So what are the points intersect? What are the points intersects here? PQRS. This P, Q, R, S. These are all the points intersect. Okay. So P, Q, R and S are the point of intersection, or the point of intersection. Okay, these are all the point of intersection lines. Okay. Yeah. The next question is, from the given figure, name the first question is parallel lines. Okay. Second one is intersecting lines. Third one is point of intersection. Points of intersection. The first question is parallel lines. Second one is intersecting lines. Third one is point of intersection. See, this is your line A, B. See, this is your lines. So this is A, P, Q, R. This one is B. Okay, here this line is called CD. This line is called E, F, and this is your GH, and this is your I, J. Okay, they ask, the first question is parallel lines. What are the parallel lines here? What are the parallel lines here? So, C, CD, we can take the C, D, E, F and I, J. These are all called parallel lines. That is C, D, E, F, I, J. We can take. Okay. So C, D, E, F and I, J are parallel lines. Okay. So the second one is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. What are called intersecting lines? That means AB, and CD. First we take AB and CD. Okay. So AB and CD. Okay. Next one, we can take AB and EF. AB and EF. This AB and EF. So AB and EF. The third one is, we can take the intersecting line AB, GH and also we can take IJ. Okay. AB, GH and IJ. These are all called intersecting lines. Okay. The next one is point of intersection. Points of intersection. What is mean by point of intersection? That is, the two points intersect. Okay. What are the points intersect here? P, Q, R. The point intersect the two lines. That is called point of intersection. So P, Q, R. P, Q and R are the points of intersection. Points of intersection. Okay. So the next question is, from from the given figure, name first subdivision is all pairs of parallel lines. Second one, all pairs of intersecting lines. The fourth question is pair of lines whose point of intersection is V. The next one is point of intersection of the lines L2 and L3. Point of intersection of the lines L2 and L3. That is fifth one. Yeah, point of intersection of. This is third one. That is pair of lines whose point of intersection is V. This is fourth subdivision. Point of intersection of the lines L2 and L3. The fifth subdivision is point of intersection of the lines L1 and L5. Okay, so let me take the line. So this is your line. Okay. So the first one, this is your L3, L4, L5. This is your L1. Okay, L1, L2. Okay, here this is called R and this is called S and this one is called V. This is called T and this is called U. Okay, so this one is called P, Q. Okay, yeah. So we have to find out the answers here. That is, first one is pair of parallel lines. Pairs of parallel lines. Okay, so first one is L3 and L4. Second one is L4 and L5. Third one is L3 and L5. These are all the parallel lines. That is L3, L4, L4 and L5 and L3 and L5. These are all the parallel lines. Okay. The second one is pairs of intersecting lines. Pairs of intersecting lines. What are the lines intersect here? So L1, this L1, L2, okay, and L1, L3, L1, L4, L1, L5, L2, L3, L2, L4, L2 and L5. These are all the points intersect. Okay, so the A here is L1 and L2. Next one is L1 and L3. Third one is L1 and L4. Next L1 and L5. Next one is L2 and L3. Next one is L2 and L4. Next one is L2 and L5. Okay. So the next one is the next question is pair of lines whose point of intersection is V. The pair of lines whose point of intersection is V. Here is your we know. So what are the pairs of intersecting? Sorry, what are the pair of lines whose point of intersection is V? L1 and L2. L1 and L2 intersect at V. Intersect at V. Okay. Intersect at V. Yeah. The next question is point of intersection of the lines L1 and L2. What is the point intersecting the lines L2 and L5? Q is the point. Q is the point intersecting points of Q is the point intersecting the lines L1 L2 and L5. So Q is the point intersecting the lines L2 and L5. The last question is point of intersection of the lines L1 and L5. What are the point intersecting of the line L1 and L5? So U is the point. U is the point intersecting the line lines L1 and L5. This is the point of intersecting of the lines L1 and L5. Okay. So this is the exercise is over, ma. Okay. The next week we will continue the next exercise. Thank you, children.